Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying you are signed into the correct account because changes apply to that profile only. Once logged in, go directly to Settings and open the Privacy or Data controls. This is where search history lives. Make sure you have reauthentication tools ready, like your password or 2FA device, since some platforms require confirmation before editing data. Now, locate the search or activity options and tap to view the stored queries. We'll act on them immediately. Next, find the search history or web and app activity control. Platforms label it slightly differently, but the goal is the same. Turn the toggle off or choose pause to stop future searches from saving. That's the key step. If available, set an auto-delete interval like 3 months or 18 months to reduce future buildup, or select manual clear if you want immediate removal. Once done, confirm any dialog boxes that explain consequences and make sure changes synced across devices. Now clear existing entries by choosing Clear or Delete History, which removes stored queries right away. This is separate from disabling future saves. After clearing, sign out then sign back in, or force a sync to ensure the change propagates across devices. Make sure to check other profiles and browser-specific history if you use multiple browsers. If something goes wrong, check that browser sync isn't re-uploading history, confirm you changed the correct account, and clear local cache before retrying. Those steps usually fix sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.